University of Human Development, UHD, is a non-profit private university founded by Professor Dr. Ali Muhyiddin Qaradaghi, the Secretary General of the International Union of Muslim Scholars, in 2008. The university is located in Sulaymaniyah, the cultural capital of Kurdistan region of Iraq. The city is famous for its beautiful landscape, rich heritage, and cultural diversity. The university has expanded exponentially. Its undergraduate and graduate programs enroll 2,319 students across 11 departments and 5 colleges. Diversity and inclusion are among our core values. Our university currently hosts 78 international students from different countries across the Middle East. Our faculty and staff are culturally, ethnically, and racially diverse. We provide special accommodations and facilities to those with disabilities. We also have yearly scholarships available to disabled students to help them excel in their academic life. University of Human Development is a leading example in the implementation of Bologna process system in Kurdistan region of Iraq since 2015. The University of Human Development has implemented EUHD, which is a comprehensive online system for managing universities' official student data of record, registration, delivering content, and communication between the students and the faculties. The university provides its researchers, faculty, and students with facilities needed to conduct advanced research across different disciplines. The university allocates annual budget to maintain a research-friendly campus. Our research center is interdisciplinary, where researchers are provided with tools needed to conduct quality research. UHD has its own journal, which publishes 4 times a year. To enrich our students' experience, develop a high-quality education, and build a bridge with national and international universities, UHD has signed Memorandum of Understanding with several universities, implemented several mutual programs with those universities. Cultural and artistic activities are an integral part of our mission. UHD hosts multiple literary and cultural festivals each year to contribute to the intellectual and cultural progress of the communities it serves. UHD has maintained a high-ranking position among national and international universities. We are ranked among the top universities by National University Ranking known as NUR, administered by the Ministry of Higher Education. In the recent Webometrics ranking of international universities, UHD is ranked at the top of all private universities across Iraq for quality education and outstanding research. UHD graduates and alumni become prominent leaders in the communities they serve. Some of our graduates have gotten into some of the prestigious universities in the United States and Europe. The rate of job opportunities for our graduates are higher in the private sector due to the quality education they had at UHD.